Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss exercise 1.2. Here in this exercise, we will do the questions in which we have to prove something as irrational. For all the question, the method is almost the same. First question, prove root 5 is irrational. So first we will assume that root 5 is rational. If it is rational, we can express it in the form a upon b, where a and b are co-primes. After cross multiplication, we will get b root 5 is equal to a. On squaring both sides, 5b square equal a square. This shows that 5 is a factor of a because 5 is factor of a square. Then we will take a as 5c. C is an integer. On squaring both sides, we'll get 5b square equal 5c whole square or 25c square. B square is equal to 5c square. This shows that 5 is a factor of b also. Now if 5 is factor of a and b, this means a and b have a common factor 5, which is against our assumption. Therefore, root 5 is irrational. Here you can substitute root 5 as root 2, root 3, root 7, anything. The procedure would be the same. Second question, which is very important also, prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Again we will take the contradiction. We will assume it as rational. 3 plus 2 root 5 is equal to a upon b. Taking 3 to the other side, 2 root 5 equal a upon b minus 3. We will make root 5 as the subject, means root 5 on the left side, and all the other terms we will take to the right according to the algebra rules. So if root 5 is irrational, then 1 upon 2 bracket a upon b minus 3 should also be rational if root 5 is rational. But we know that root 5 is irrational. So RHS is also irrational. So our assumption was wrong. 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Third question, prove that the following are irrationals. First part, 1 upon root 2. Here we will take 1 by root 2 as rational and equal to a upon b. On cross multiplication, we will get root 2 equal b upon a. Since we know root 2 is irrational, our assumption is wrong, and so 1 upon root 2 is also irrational. Second part, 7 multiplied by root 5. Again here we will do the same thing. We will assume it as rational and equal to a upon b, where a and b are co-primes. After taking 7 to the right side, we will get root 5 equal a upon 7b. So if root 5 is rational, then only a upon b would be rational, a upon 7b. But we know root 5 is irrational, so a upon 7b or a upon b is also irrational. Hence our assumption is wrong. 7 root 5 is irrational. Second part, 6 plus root 2. 6 plus root 2, we will assume it as rational. 6 plus root 2 equal a upon b. Root 2 equal a upon b minus 6. Since we know root 2 is irrational, so a upon b minus 6 is also irrational. So our assumption was wrong. Hence we have proved that 6 plus root 2 is irrational. So you can see in all the questions of this exercise, there is a same pattern that you can follow, which will make this very easy to perform the questions. So now we come to end of this exercise in this chapter from NCERT. In our next video, we will do some extra questions and PYQs related to this chapter. Thank you for watching.